And fresh on the heels of the guilty verdict in the Tesha Miller trial, Mr. Holness says it's an indication of the unrelenting work of the security forces.
The police say criminal organizations continue to be the main contributor to crime, especially murders. But with reference to Tesha Miller's guilty verdict on Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says hard work is beginning to pay off.
There was a significant verdict. We are not always successful when we go to the court because there might be imperfections in our cases. But I want to congratulate the hard-working men and women of the JCF who have put those cases together.
Miller was found guilty on 2 counts of accessory to murder relating to the June 2008 killing of former JUTC chairman Douglas Chambers. Prosecutors suggested that Miller had ordered the killing. Speaking on TVJ's All Angles with Dion Jackson Miller on Wednesday, attorney at law Lloyd McFarling explained that in court, ordering a murder is just as serious as committing the crime.
So I could be sitting in GP, order hit
and
on
make the
somebody.
order. Right. Now, where you have a situation where that person is procuring, they can be charged with murder, but they can also be charged with being an accessory before the fact.
Okay.
Whether they're charged with murder or an accessory before the fact, if they're convicted, it is the same sentence that they face.
Miller is to be sentenced on January 9. But the Prime Minister pointed out that currently the police, along with the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, have brought cases against 13 gangs across the country.
They are investigating them, following the law, following the directions of the DPP to refine the cases. And we will improve our abilities in terms of the integration of technology and the use of forensic in improving our ability to get evidence to bring to court against these criminals. Because we are going to show them that they will not make Jamaica descend into a place of chaos.
Mr. Holness describes the current crime-fighting situation as a turning point for Jamaica, insisting that the fight against organized crime will continue.